Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to change your TradingView chart background to white in 2026. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. So only 2 days left in this sale, so you can come here and explore the offers. Now, when you are on tradingview.com, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now, as you can see, currently the background of my TradingView chart is black. So if it is black in your case as well, you need to first of all check what type of theme you are currently using. So here, click on your profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. As you can see, for my TradingView account, the dark theme is enabled. So when you click on this toggle button, you will see that the background is now white, plus the theme of the TradingView is also white. But if you don't want to make changes into the overall theme and you want to change the background only, you will have to simply just right click on the chart, then come here in the settings. You can also click on this gear icon here on the top right hand corner, and this way too you will be landed here on this page. Now over here you just have to look for the option of the canvas. Here in the canvas we have the background option. So you just have to select whether you want to keep it solid or gradient. I want to keep it solid. Now right next to it, simply click on this color palette option and then select the color of your chart as white. Once you are done, simply hit OK, and as you can see, our theme is black but the chart is white. So this way you can change your TradingView background to white in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.